software versus invoicing platforms. Which one is better for freelancers and SMEs? Managing finances is one of the biggest challenges for freelancers and small businesses, yet many get this wrong by assuming invoicing platforms alone are enough. The surprising truth is that accounting software and invoicing platforms serve different needs, and using the right solution can save time, reduce errors, and improve cash flow. Invoicing platforms are designed to create and send invoices quickly. They track payments, send reminders, and can handle recurring billing. For example, a freelance designer can send professional invoices to multiple clients, automatically follow up on overdue payments, and maintain simple records. However, invoicing platforms often don't track expenses, taxes, or generate financial reports. Accounting software, in contrast, provides a full picture of your finances. It manages income, expenses, payroll, taxes, and generates reports for cash flow, profit, and budgeting. A small business owner can reconcile bank transactions, track deductible expenses, and produce annual financial statements easily. Accounting software ensures compliance and gives insights for smarter business decisions. Which is better? For freelancers or micro businesses focused mainly on billing, invoicing platforms are quick and easy to use. For businesses that need full financial oversight, reporting, and tax management, accounting software is essential. Many SMEs combine both, using invoicing platforms for client-facing billing and accounting software for comprehensive financial management behind the scenes. The key takeaway: financial management is about more than sending invoices. Invoicing platforms streamline client payments, while accounting software provides strategic visibility and compliance. The surprising truth is that combining both tools ensures freelancers and SMEs stay organized, save time, and make smarter business decisions as they grow.